Hello, everyone. In this video, we're going to look at the scope of variables in the context of the methods. We already introduced the scope of variables in section 2.5. And we also defined the scope. The scope of variable is when you define the variable, and that's scope base starts, and all the way to the end, it meets an ending brace. Now, in this section, we're going to look at this a variable. If you have a variable defined inside a method, this is called a local variable. And let's look at this here. Also, you can have variables defined in multiple places, the same variable, as long as they don't have the same scope. Here is this is the scope of variable I, this for loop. It's from the time you define it here all the way to the end of this for loop. Inside the for loop, you have this variable j, and this is the ending brace, and this is where it ends, the scope for this variable ends. Now, you define these two scopes here, right here. This is for the variable I, the same variable I, so it can be defined in multiple places as long as they have different scopes. Here, the scope for I ends right here, and the scope for the second I ends right here, so they do not overlap. But this is going to be a problem. So you define the I is here. So where it ends right here, the ending brace right here. And for this I, it is here. So the scope overlaps. So this is a problem. You cannot define it this way. That is all for the scope of variables in this section. See you on the next video.